Hello everyone. Tonight I am reading A Well-Trained Dog by Alvin Court, illustrated by Randy Tuning. A well-trained dog. Everyone in Robin's family had chores to do. Robin's big chore was keeping her bedroom neat. She had to make her bed, hang up her clothes, and put her toys in the toy chest. She had to do these chores every day. Robin was tired of chores. When I finished one chore, it's time to do another. Then the next day, I must do my chores all over again. The chores never seemed to end. Robin's parents tried to be encouraging. They explained why they thought chores were important. Mom even gave a little speech. Everyone has chores, Mom said. I have chores, Dad has chores, and you have chores. We all have to pitch in and help out. Robin didn't say anything. She knew her chores would never end. One day, Dad came home from the fire station with some news. Ooh, fire station. It was a firefighter. He took off his safety helmet before he spoke. Robin, would you like one more chore? Dad asked with a smile. Robin groaned. Dad, I have enough already. Dad continued. What if the chore was taking care of our new dog? Robin jumped up. A dog? Do you mean it, Dad? Are we really getting a dog? If you think you can handle another chore, Dad answered. I can. I'll take care of the dog, cried Robin. She couldn't believe it. She wanted a pet for such a long time, and now they were getting a dog. Okay. The next day, Dad brought home an enormous dog. His name was King. Robin gave King baths and brushed his fur. He fed him and made sure he had fresh water every morning. She took him for long walks and threw a ball for him to chase. She wished all of her chores were like this. Those were chores she could enjoy. Robin still did not enjoy making her bed, hanging up her clothes, and putting away her toys. Well, Robin, it's very important to do that. But now she had an idea that would make it easy. What is it? After spending so much time with King, she named it King. Okay, she knew that he was smart. He paid attention when she called his name, and Robin knew she could train him. Robin started training King the next day. The first lesson was sit, but it was not the typical sit. Robin taught King to pull up on the blanket on her bed when she said sit. There, the bed is made. So one chore is done, said Robin. She patted King and gave him a treat. The next unusual lesson was roll over. Robin taught King to push her clothes under the bed when she gave the command, roll over. Great, another chore is done. Good dog, Robin said as she gave King another treat. This was fun. That's a lot of training you need to do there. The last lesson, Robin thought King was fetch. When Robin gave this command, King would retrieve each of her toys and dispose it in the toy chest. Soon her room was completely picked up. Robin said, King obeys the commands so well. I will never have to do another chore except to take care of King. That is, but for now, King, this will be our secret. She looked at King and smiled. Robin's plan worked well for a few weeks. King did Robin's chores every day. He made the bed, pushed the clothes under the bed, and put the toys in the toy closet. Her parents were happy that Robin had stopped complaining about her chores. Robin didn't have to do anything except take care of King. And that was fun. Then one day, Mom came to Robin's room. Mom said, I notice you have been training your new buddy. How's it going? Have you taught him to sit? Robin squirmed. Yes, she said hesitantly. Let me try, said Mom. King, sit. King pulled up the blanket on Robin's bed when he heard the command. He stood and wagged his tail proudly. Mom stared in disbelief. She was shocked by what she had seen. Robin, what else have you trained King to do? Asked Mom. Mom watched as Robin gave the roll over and fetch commands. Now it was clear who had been doing Robin's chores for the last few weeks. Robin hung her head. She said, I'm sorry, Mom. I didn't mean to deceive you about doing my chores. Mom called a family meeting. The family agreed that King deserved a steak bone for doing all the chores. Then they agreed that Robin had to keep her own bedroom neat from now on. She also got additional chores for a month. Mom and Dad knew that after doing extra chores, Robin wouldn't find tidying her room so much trouble. Robin knew that she still had the best chore of all. That was taking care of King. The end. That was the end, guys. So you can like and subscribe and share this to friends. And you turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you when I read more books. And yeah, bye!